Hi, my name's Conrad, and this is Radworks, and that is my flooded GTR, and we're going to rebuild it. Follow along as we rebuild this GTR into its formal glory as Godzilla. Alright, first step is, there's a few clips already on here that I have of, cleaning up the rear end and time lapses and stuff, so we'll throw that in there.
So I figured I would just come through here and explain a little bit about the car since I failed to do so. This is a 1990 R32 GTR that was involved in a freshwater flood, and looking at the car, I'd say it checks out, with almost everything being just surface rust on the car. I picked it up for $6,500 with no drivetrain, and it does in fact have a clean title. Pretty cool. Side note, I do already have a drivetrain for it, so that'll expedite everything. But the plan is to basically clean it all up, replace whatever needs to be replaced from a flooded car, i.e. computers, wiring, rust repairs, etc. I really want this car to be as pristine as possible, or as far as I can make it. So no corner cutting. I'm not going to go and de-seam seal or drill spot welds or anything like that. Anyways, I'll explain the car and my plan further down the road. Back to the video. Oh yeah, and follow my Instagram for more updates as it's happening.
to do what I set out for this entire time. Taking this steering column out because the buggered threads. So it's two 12 mils, one there, one there, and then those should be three 12 mils down there. One bottom, top corner. But yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. Should probably have a head mount on for the GoPro, but YOLO. Shoot. I'm sorry, I suck at filming. Those two bolts. Deep socket. Need deep socket. Okay. Back and ready for Daka Daka with the 12 mil deep socket. Let's get down there. Oh my god, this is gonna be sucky. Bear with me. This is so naggy. Alright. That one's loose. Oh shit. Where's the third? I know there's a third. Ow! Attacked by the freaking turn indicator. Anyways, I will resume this with the other side once I also find the third one. Alright, so I found it. Okay, there you go. That's the bolt. It's covered by the vent tube. Oh, this isn't really well lit right here. That's the, I guess, heater for your feet or something like that. Anyways, what I did was this guy, frick. Man, I'm winning all the awards for filming. Alright, so, sorry, you're gonna just have to live with that. That was basically on there, so I just kind of wiggled it off and then shoved it up to the side. See that, or this holds this? Oh, you know what? That's what it probably is. This is holding also the speedo cable. That's probably what that is. I'm a genius. Oh, this sucks to light. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna buzz that off and get this thing out because can't film and light, obviously. All right. Got those three inner bolts out. Just spawn this bolt off. So the bottom of the collar holds it in. Jump in. Ooh, hello. Straddle. Come in and did I do this wrong? Nope, nope. That's definitely a thing. I need to set this down. That's dirty. Oh, well. YOLO. Doing it for the shot. Oh, God forbid. Maybe we do this. Take and loosen up this cover. Oh, I think that did something. Did something kind of sexual over here. Oh, you gotta just give the stick a good old yank. And then give it another yank. Frick. Not coming out for me. What the heck? I've got all the bolts out. Okay. Oh, frick. I know what I did wrong. God forbid. I left the bolt in. I'll be right back. Alright. We back. We back in action. Back to fiddling with the stick. Alright. That's loose. Just gotta shove it on in the hole. Gotta insert it gently but firmly. Maybe have to pull from the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Take this collar off though so I don't lose it. Alright. And from this angle, you gotta play the shaft game. Oh, frick. Free Willy. Uh-oh. Let's put this down. I guess it's kind of a thing. dig this sucker out. God. What the heck? Don't mind me just dying over here. Holy crap. Breathed in something here. That's not meant to be breathed in. Oh god. Just dying. Alright, I need to disconnect this guy and she'll all come out. Alright. Installing the new shaft. Again, I apologize for the bad angle and everything. Oh god. Help us all. Alright, so I'm bring this back when I got this sucker in, because this is terrible viewing. Got the new column in. Has the ignition, all the good stuff. It's all tightened down in the front too, so that's gonna be a wrap for tonight and continue on with tomorrow. All the flood damage. Gonna be able to remove that, get the dirt out of here. It's not really that bad with those panels, but really repair it down here. Flooding down there. You can see a little rust of the corrosion. These I found in the back. Slight corrosion. Don't know what that guy is too. Tools until that. Oh, it's oh, that just made me cringe. Just cracked all the way through. But that's all grotty. This will have to be cleaned up. We're gonna pull gauges out, aircon out, radio out. That's all grotty in there. The panel's grotty. This stuff's even dingy and nasty. That's just a layer of the flooding sludge. Shoot. Momo shift knob? Question mark? Does not look like a stock shifter. Well, I found out what type of shift knob it was. It's a flippin' Nardi shift knob. I didn't even know they made shift knobs. Well, that's pretty awesome. Huh. Would you look at that? Alright, back to cleaning this stuff up. Alright, quick update. Got all the bolts out. The glove box. So bracket is here, hidden by this little Johnny here. So had a few bolts there, bolt there, pop that sucker off. Got these guys undone. You can get this undone with just the glove box down, pops out, bingo bongo. This guy covers the ECU and totally a stock ECU. That's totally fine. Doesn't matter. Oh, hey, those are all labeled. Oh, what did I just pull out? Oh well. Gonna disconnect all these harnesses here, and then should be, I don't know what is left holding this guy on. There's some type of bolt on the backside. That's weird. Oh wait, hold on. I may be just stupid. Hold on. Am I still stupid? Am I still acoustic? I think I'm acoustic, boys. I'll be right back once I find that bracket out and get all this stuff off. Alright. Got most of the center console out. That's a little chasm there. Got all the radio wires, AC system, and whatever else is back there. Some ventilation. So now I'm gonna try and figure out how to get this guy off. Well, actually, the main goal was to be able to get the floor out, the carpet. So I think we'll just take the dead pedal out, side seal out, and then we should, in theory, so update you when I've got something.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up here. Abrupt ending, I know, terrible way to end this, but I noticed the video is going on a little too long, so we're just gonna cut it here, and then next video we'll continue on where we stopped here. So yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know how I've done, and criticism. I gladly welcome criticism here. So let me know in the comments what I can do to improve, and I will try and do that in the future. Thanks. Peace out. Stay rad.